November 1st, 2024. CN Hayes here, 2135, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again with another video lined up. Northbound on the way that met the M356 down around Sheldon. Check him out on the roll by as we lean back and get him. New C6M to rebuild to lead it. Distinctive K3LAR24. 3403. Of the 30th, started at Pigeon Park, Memphis, Tennessee. We'll head up to Roberts Bank, British Columbia, Canada. Listen to MADPU. Tomorrow, look at the detail. GECX nee-BNSF 4581. This last of 119, ES44 to bring it up. 3803. How about that? Another C6M rebuild to check off my list. Why not? What a catch indeed, too. Why not? So that will do it for the Q119, 71 of the 30th of October. And we'll do it for the new C6M rebuild of the 3403. Previously GECX nee-BNSF 4581, and the Tier 4 Credit pre-production version of CN 3803 as the rear DPU. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great night, have a great weekend. See you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. A reminder, everybody, get ready to fall those clocks back, because tomorrow night clocks fall back as daylight savings time is coming to an end and we'll return to standard time. Have a great night, friends. Happy rail fanning and God bless. CN Hayes out.